Last night was our first night with Mountain Lodges of Peru, and it was seriously the best night of sleep I've ever had.
She gets really excited about little things.
My feet were really cold when I went to bed, and when I got in bed, there was a feet warmer on my feet, like in the blanket. Never had that in my life. It was amazing. And today is super sunny and beautiful. It's gonna be a great day.
Ciao, buen viaje.
Hasta luego. And now we are starting the morning with a walk through the local town that surrounds the lodge that we stayed at last night.
Our second stop is the local market. This is like super local.
You can tell it's local when there's cell phones. I love visiting local markets, and this one is super local. It smells fantastic. Just love seeing all the people.
We're about to go to the meat section. We just bought some pasta pura de cacao, which basically means 100% pure chocolate. We just bought it for $1 sole. I don't think you can eat it straight because it's very bitter. Strong. But we're gonna mix it with coffee or milk or something. I'm so excited.
I love visiting markets, and I think that was probably one of the most local markets we've ever been to. That was really cool.
No other tourists were there.
No.
We actually didn't see a single other tourist yesterday on our hike either. Once we got to the Inca ruins, there are a few other people, but that entire hike in the morning, just us.
That has been one of the really cool things about traveling with Mountain Lodges of Peru is that they've kind of carved out their own itinerary to their own places.
Even the lodge, it's only for Mountain Lodges of Peru. There were no other people there but us.
Yeah, so it's really neat. Like, this is a tour that you can only get through Mountain Lodges of Peru. This sounds really salesy, but I promise it's not. It's just an aspect of the trip that we've really enjoyed.
We just drove about 30 minutes on the coolest road through the mountains. There were like rock slides that we had to drive around. There's tons of little houses just built right into the mountains. And now we're at some Incan ruins. The name of them translates to Blue Land.
Dijo nampak? I'm trying to ask her what is the property they can find if they eat this. Now this has to be dehydrated, and they are going to save for later, no? So that's what they are doing. She's saying we have a lot. It's the season of this. Yeah.
So as soon as we got here, it basically started pouring. We're pushing through the rain to get to see these ruins. We're risking the camera right now to get the shot and show you how beautiful it looks down this hill. It's incredible, and I wish it wasn't raining so I could fly the drone over. All right, time to put it away. So we just finished our hour-long trek through the ruins. It rained the entire time, but I'm really glad we did it.
Yeah, it was good.
The only thing I'm really disappointed about is that we couldn't show more of it on camera, because we definitely would have ruined the camera if we would have pulled it out. But the views were incredible. It was a nice hike, but we are soaked to the bone. We just drove about 30 minutes into the mountains. This is the first time in like 4 hours it hasn't been raining. We're surrounded by clouds. I'm sure it's gonna start raining again. But today, since we skipped out on the hike yesterday, we've opted to tough it out. We have a 4-hour hike over a pass that's almost 14,000 feet. I think just a little shy of 14,000 feet. But the valley that we're in right now is beautiful. It's raining again. Got the poncho out this time so I don't get soaked to the bone. Don't look quite as cool though.
James got us all matching ponchos. I think this might be our Christmas card this year.
There they go. Scared one, they all go. This is my new friend Mario. He's in charge of bringing 2 horses up the mountain with us. There are local ambulances in case anybody breaks a leg and needs to be quickly taken back down. We're bonding over chewing coca leaves. We just made it to the top of the pass. We are at 13,900 feet and we're in the middle of a cloud.
There is no more going uphill today. It is all downhill from here. And we have this great overlook of these lagoons. I don't know if you can see them through
kind
the
of
clouds.
make them out.
So we get to go down and around those, and then turns out we're walking straight to our lodge. How cool is that?
Feels like Everest all over again.
Yeah. We're thankful that it hasn't rained on us. The cloud's been kind of cool.
Yeah, it rained for like 2 seconds. I thought we were going to be hiking in the rain for 4 hours. So up by the pass, there are these huge fields. If you can just see like all of this dirt behind me, you really don't think about it while you're walking past. But if you think back to yesterday and you saw how the people plowed up the fields using the foot plow, all of this behind me, like almost as far as you can see, has been plowed with a foot plow, which is just like mind-blowing to think about how long that would take.
Got a bracelet from Rosalina. Gracias. Uno, dos, tres.
We're at this beautiful lookout point where we're supposed to be able to see the lodge that we're staying at tonight.
But this is what it looks like.
Clouds.
I'm not complaining. The clouds have been really cool. They've added like a mystical feel to the entire hike, especially when there's like llamas that you can see through the clouds.
We see the lodge.
Very nice. Gracias.
We just got to our new lodge. The floors are heated, which is amazing, but there's one other thing that we've never had before that's even better. Our own heated hot tub on our balcony. Oh, this is so nice. After being on our feet since almost 6 a.m., this is exactly what I want to do the rest of the night. Can't wait to eat.
Look at how wet the drone is.
Oh my gosh.
Might shouldn't fly this in the clouds anymore. Already almost lost it once in Peru.
When llamas attack.
That would have gotten so many hits if you would have been attacked. Oh, he's coming for you. You've made him mad. Oh, he's doing his ears weird.